and the product is amazing. What's up you guys? I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinanshi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. So it's one of the most demanded videos and a video that I wanted to do since so long. It's about the store Urbanic, which people think is similar to Shein. So basically I'm gonna do an Urbanic shopping haul and review. So I ordered a few casual t-shirts and joggers in the start to see ke कैसा क्वालिटी एंड कैसा मटेरियल एंड एवरीथिंग आता है. डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट आई स्टार्ट ऑर्डरिंग फ्रॉम द स्टोर. दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड फ्रॉम द स्टोर एंड विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मच टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज दिस अमेजिंग gym pant that I got. I'm sure most of you all must have heard about the famous TikTok leggings. Well, these are the ones. These are the famous TikTok leggings. And the color that I ordered is blue and it's just for 590 rupees on Urbanic. Well, so iske pehle I ordered these black TikTok pants, like these are similar. So I got this black one for 1200 rupees from a site called Wish, which is an online US site. And then after some time when I was just scrolling on Urbanic, I found the same gym TikTok pants for just 590. The quality, the product, everything is completely similar but a huge price difference. Anyways, the material is polyester and yeah, I really loved this because it looks amazing, as you all can already see. And there are a lot of different colors in this, like neon, pink, black, grey, white, anything that you all want. And they also have a lot of multi-color designs in the same pants, which I'm gonna order really soon. The size that I ordered for this TikTok gym leggings is XL and it fits perfectly well. So the size is also amazing. All the links are going to be in the description box. So if you all want to buy, just tap on it and put it in your cart and buy. The second product is this black chain pullover t-shirt. It's a crop top. It's just for 393 rupees and it's perfectly my type because of the chain that it has. The material is cotton and I personally loved this product. I've already worn it like twice and it's amazing. It suits a lot. And for 393, the material, the chain, everything is very nice. And this particular one is a medium size. So yeah, I loved it. So the third one is this white cotton embroidery top. So again, I ordered a medium size in this, but unfortunately this is tight and a bit small to me. So I have to get it exchanged. So that's the thing that I did not like about this product. It looks more like a small size to me than like a medium. So I'm not happy much with this product, but the quality, the material and the design is pretty cute. So yeah, and this is just for 393 again, similar to the black chain pullover t-shirt. The only problem was with the size, so I'm gonna get it exchanged, but overall it's a nice worthy product for 393 rupees only. Next product is like the favorite out of all because I wanted to order this since so long and I finally did it, and the product is amazing. So I got these black joggers which has baby girl written on it and I got it for just 967 rupees and it's completely 100% cotton. I called for an XL size and it fits me perfectly well. I loved how the product turned out and I have already worn it for like more 2 to 3 or 4 times I guess. And I'm gonna order more such joggers because the fitting, the quality, the material, everything is just perfect. And I paired this particular joggers with the chain pullover t-shirt and that's how it looks. I mean, it was like a full set. I'm in love with these pants and you all should order it too. The next one is this crop top that I got for 590 rupees. It's 100% cotton. The material is good. I personally feel that the material is a bit thin comparatively to the other two t-shirts, but it's okay. It looks cool for a normal casual wear and everything, but I personally expected the t-shirt to be a bit more better because for 590 it's like okay, but yeah, I don't mind wearing it because it's like casual and stuff. So the last product is this cute pullover t-shirt which has Rock More written on it and it's for 690 rupees. It's a crop top. The material is amazing and I called for a medium size. Basically medium is my size in all the t-shirts. I would rate it a 9 on 10. Obviously it's a pass. So I think it's a good t-shirt, but it could have been a bit more cheap, I feel, because 690 is kind of a bit much for it. But apart from that, yeah, you can wear it for casuals and everything. Okay, so one thing that I personally loved about Urbanic is that it sent everything together. So I did not have to wait कि पहले एक आएगा फिर दूसरा आएगा. So everything was sent together in this box. The second thing that I really liked is that all the t-shirts and all the pants, everything had come in these Ziploc bags. So way of presenting and sending it was a really good way. So I appreciate that. The packaging was amazing basically. The quality of all the products was really good, but it can be better in a few products. Now, when people say that it's like Shein, I would not really agree that it's completely like Shein. Like, obviously, you have a hell lot of variety on Urbanic, just like Shein. But Shein was a bit more cheaper, actually, a lot more cheaper than what Urbanic is. But I think Urbanic is also something which is worth it depending on what you buy. The thing that I did not like about the store at all is their delivery period. So they say it's going to be from 18 to 13 days. But I ordered for these products in the start of the month of May and it came in the end of May. So I was kinda a lot disappointed by their delivery period, but apart from that, I feel Urbanic is a good store where y'all can definitely buy the products. So what I would recommend y'all is to buy a few products first, get to know your sizes, and then go ahead and buy another products. And one of the best thing that I liked about Urbanic is that in their size chart, apart from just giving the inches and centimeters, they also gave the size that you all can relate with Zara and H&M. So you get an idea of what size you should order, and that's exactly how I personally understood and ordered M size in all my t-shirts and XL in all my pants, because I related them and compared them with the sizes of Zara and H&M. So that's a very good thing that Urbanic is doing. And they also sent a letter which says thanks for shopping with us, and they gave me a code so that next time when I order I get a 200 rupees offer. That's a good thing that they're trying to interact with their customers and giving them offers for shopping at the first time and all. So that's one thing that they gave. And yeah, so overall I feel Urbanic is an amazing store that I all should definitely try. So I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and tell me if you all want an Urbanic haul. Even if you all don't, I am gonna do one really soon because I loved the products. So yeah, stay tuned and bye, take care.